Welcome to Kickz and Beatz, the channel. I am your host, Broadway J. Please hit subscribe, please hit like, and stay tuned. Ta-da! Back at it again with another one, yo. What's going on? It's your boy Broadway J, host of the channel Kickz and Beatz, the channel that gives back to the hood so you know what's good. Giveaways on the 1st of every month. That means we got another one right around the corner. If you're new to the channel, hit like and subscribe because we got another review for you guys today. And what we got for you guys here today is the Yeezy 700 MNVN. And this is the colorway called Honey Flux. This is the 7th colorway to have arrived at this point. And this is a nice colorway, I've been told. Let's take a look. Shout out to JD Sports for this one because they gave me such an easy W. But then again, everybody got an easy W for this drop. I don't know what it was, but the sizes were available on all websites just about for a real long time. Like literally, if you wanted this pair and you didn't get your size, my question to you is how? How? Let's open this up. Let's see what it's all about, man. This came out 4 days ago for 220 USD. 4 days ago. That means this was on the 20th, September 20th. Yeah. All right. Details of the box right there. You guys see, right? Hope you guys see. Anyways, when it comes to this shoe, guys, you definitely need to go half a size up from your true to size, which is basically what everybody's Yeezy size is. When you hear somebody mentioning their Yeezy size, it's always half a size up from your true to size, you know? Nike, Jordans, Converse, yada yada. Ooh. Okay. It's not enough to make me scream, but this is actually pretty nice, guys. Okay. Just to let you guys know, I've seen a couple of reviews on the internet, and seeing this in person, it doesn't look like how it looks in these videos. So I hope you guys can understand this explanation I'm about to give. Think about the explanation more than what you're actually seeing on camera, because I'm pretty sure the way you guys are viewing this right now in this video, it's not how you're gonna see it if you see it in person. But the best way I can describe this is it's like a yellow gold, like a yellow gold. It doesn't look yellow. It doesn't look. They're trying to replicate gold, honestly. That's what they're trying to do here, guys. But it's not exactly gold. It's like a yellowish gold of some sort. Yeah, it's not wheat colored like your Timberland boots. It's definitely nothing like that at all. And the toe cap area over here is different than the nylon, of course. It's a little different in color. I feel like this kind of reminds me of... What does this remind me of? This is very confusing, guys, of a colorway, but it's really nice. I gotta say, it's really nice. I like it. This is actually gonna stay in the collection. Definitely gonna have to add this in the collection, man. This is really nice. This does feature Boost, guys. For those who don't know, this features Boost. Boost is a real comfortable material. It's from within the midsole, like inside, and it's really comfortable, honestly. See that white down there? That's basically the Boost right there. It's exposed in the bottom. That's Boost material right there. It kind of looks like some sort of styrofoam or something. Real comfortable, real comfortable. This also features 3M. You get your 3M right here. Get some over here, and of course the 700. You know, that special angle in the sunlight. You'll get to see it outside, y'all. This is the tag. Comes with this type of rope attached to it. The inside is black in regards to the insole. Yeah. Such a comfortable shoe, man. And look, bungee style lacing system. No need to tie your laces ever. Understand some people don't like the silhouette because this material right here, this nylon, tends to get wrinkly looking to some people. To me, it's just perfect. It's very different. I don't remember any other shoes that's dropped recently or within these past few years or within even this decade where the entire upper is mainly nylon. I just can't think of one. So this is definitely new in the sneaker world, and I am grateful for it. Thank you, Ye, once again. Yeah. Does this have reflective? I feel like this might have some reflective too. You'll see within the on-feet video. You'll see where the 3M is featured within this shoe. But anyways, let's show you guys that on-feet look. Let's get to it. Alright, so this is the end of the video, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys like this shoe, man. I suggest you cop. If you don't have a color such as this one in your collection of sneakers, definitely get it. But anyway, stay tuned, y'all, because we got more looks coming through in the channel. It's your boy Broadway J, host of the channel, and I'm out, y'all. Peace.